Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove followers from the Strava application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial. Sorry, not browser. Go and open whatever phone you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with, or even a tablet if you have one. Of course, once you open your phone, make sure to go and open even your Strava application if it's already downloaded into your phone. Of course, if you don't have it, you'll have to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you do that, you'll have to go and open the application. And of course, if you have already an account, you'll have to log in into it because they will ask you to. But if you don't have an account, you'll have three options to create an account. You'll have the Facebook option, the Google option, and even the email option. So just choose whatever of those to create your account if you don't have one. And once you created your account or even logged in into your account, you'll find yourself here at this home page or this main screen. And of course, in this home screen, you'll find here just your post that you already posted. And of course, you can add new posts or even edit your recent posts. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to remove some followers from our Strava application or account. So you would like, first of all, to go to your profile page by clicking at you here at the bottom right corner. And normally you'll find yourself in this progress section. But of course, you will have to go to your profile, and here you'll find the followings and even the followers. So of course you want to remove some followers as you said. So of course just click on this followers option, and for me this will appear for me. You currently have no followers, but for you, once you have here the list of followers that you have and you want to remove some, just go and click on the gear icon next to the follower you wish to remove and select remove follower. Then just confirm it that you would like to remove that follower and you'll be good to go. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.